Hello, I'm Dr. Niermann, the head of the Fontana Plastic Surgery Clinic in Mainz. Today I show you how hair is transplanted.
At the Fontana Clinic, we are specialized in hair transplants. This means that we permanently transplant your own healthy hair from the back of your head, which is not affected by hair loss, to the areas that have gone hairless. We take plenty of time to answer your questions and discuss your wishes. We will advise you in detail, discuss the methods, and together we will determine the hairline that looks natural for you, your age, and character. Before we transplant your hair, we examine the type of hair loss you have, the condition of your donor hair, and document everything in preparation for the treatment. On the day of your surgery, you will be welcomed by our team and shown to your room, which will be at your disposal for the entire day. Here, you can settle in and prepare yourself for the procedure. Together with our hair team, you will discuss the procedure and determine your hairline. For a beautiful result, it is important to find a line that suits your age and looks natural later on. After this, the donor area is shaved. After a local anesthesia, each hair is removed separately with its root from the back of the head and carefully conditioned under a microscope. It is then grouped according to thickness, color, and direction of growth, so that a natural appearance is created when the hair is implanted. It takes a few months for the result to become visible. At the client's request, the receding hairline was closed in such a way that it looks natural, but in such a way that the patient's character remains recognizable. In a second session, the tonsure was also densified. You not only see a natural result, but, as is so often the case, a happy patient.
If we can do anything for you, just call us.